Here I have Xiaomi Redmi 5 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on the following device. So at first let's open the settings. Then scroll down and under System and Device, open Additional Settings. And here scroll down one more time and pick Backup and Reset. Here you'll notice Backup My Data, so just open it. And now turn on Backups. And go back. And now it's time to create a backup account. So just tap on Backup Account here to create it. Tap on Add Account. Okay, and be sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi. Okay, I believe now it should work. So let me open it one more time. And as you can see, now your Xiaomi is checking the information if you have already some account login on this device, but no. So I will log in with my Gmail. You can use either email address or phone number. If you do not have such Gmail, such address, just create a new account. So in my case it's HardReset.Info. @gmail.com. And then just tap on Next. Here it's time to enter the password, so just let me show you. If you will be typing, you can just click on the eye icon, so you will be able to see what you are entering. So let me enter my password of the screen. And as only it's typed, just tap on Next. And now you can come along with all terms of services. You should read all of them. As you can see, you can just by clicking open the documents, because you have to agree with them, so it's worth to know what you are agreeing with. You should be aware of that. So once you come along with all terms of service and also privacy policy, just tap on I agree, if you do, of course. Now, as you can see, now the backup and storage is active, so just tap on I agree. And actually that's it. Now all your information or your data will be backed up by Google. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.